Alright, we got 2001 Mercury Villager, and we just took off the valve cover and find out this has a bunch of lots of buildup on it. As you can see here, this is all built up, and customer thought has a low mileage engine. They just had the engine replaced not too long ago. Can I get a screwdriver? See all this? Look at that, this big chunk of buildup. This is a piece of see, this piece came off.
That's part of the gasket.
No, it's like an oil.
It's oil?
Yeah, this is old oil, like. So that's what happened. I think somebody was not changing the oil, but just keep refilling it. Keep putting more and more oil, topping it off. And if you look at here, you got right here's a crack, right here's a crack, right here's a crack, there's a crack, here's a crack, there's one right here, and that's your front cover right here. See, it was not leaking on the front, but the gas come in front and back, both bank, front and back. So, but if you look at here, it has a lot of buildup in it. Let me get a screwdriver. Yeah, look at that. All that buildup that came out of this motor. Look at this. Clean that up. Yep, the gasket should be nice and soft. And the gasket, see how this is nice and soft? That's how it should be. Very nice and soft, flimsy. And that's your front bank right there, same thing.
Oil scale.
Yeah, it's bad, man.
It's bad.
It's very bad. I don't know. It's like it's not knocking or anything, but it's after when you. Yeah, I don't want to touch too much. If I do, it might.
So the problem else.
Yeah.
But yeah.
Yeah, I've seen it worse, but not like this.